Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a 2 columns layout in Webflow with 2026. So first you will need to go with your favorite browser and type on the search bar webflow.com. So then you will need to make sure that you already signed in with your account. So right now go with the dashboard section and locate the project that you want to work on, and then just click on open in Webflow. So right now we are being provided into the Webflow designer, and inside that I really want you to go and click on the plus icon that's located on the left sidebar, or add elements icon. And here you will need to drag a section into your size or design. So just drag it, and this is our section. So here I'm just making the examples, right? So you will need to locate the section on the specific place that you want it to be, and it's optionally to rename it to a 2 columns section in the navigator. Okay, so now you will need to drag a container to your section or inside the section, okay? And that way you will keep the contents aligned, okay? Or you can use a div block if you want more custom width. So now we are going to add the 2 columns layout, all right? So you will need to go here on the search bar right here, or search elements, and just type grid, okay, and then drag it to your container, right? And yeah, so here that way you added the 2 columns layout, okay? So for example, you will use the first column, like you will use it for the text, image, and buttons, and the second one for the images, videos, forms, etc. Okay, you can use the flex box, right? So just go with flex, the V flex and the H flex. You can use actually the columns, right? The columns itself. So you will need just to drag it to just like that. So you can use the first one and second one, as I told you, for the first one for the text, the image, the buttons, extra, and the second one for the image, video, forms, etc. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.